It is my first time in IKEA communications, my very first time in Sweden. So it's almost like a trip to the motherland.
It feels so big, I would say. This is where all the catalogue photos were taken.
I feel like so excited having something done for the catalogue. I mean, it's something so special.
You have to find multifunctional solution. It should be very flexible.
How do they get their private space in one big open space?
We choose those products who are very popular in our country. It means that are not dark, they are bright.
What is typical German? We are not that brave with bold colors.
You will be welcomed by this tight space, but it doesn't feel tight. Everything is in its place.
I really think that co-creating is a great experience for everyone.